Okay, we have the 2 carabiners on the tree saver. Pretty straightforward getting those on, but we'll go from the beginning. Okay, 1, 2, flick them around. Grab your rope. We go through, and then through half. Now the center one will allow tensioning, the second one will lock it. So the middle will still pull, outside, which has got your hammock on it, will lock. And when you're finally absolutely positive of where you want to be, just tie it off like that. Removal, pull, click, back out, and you're done. So it doesn't come any faster. Make sure you use rated clamps. Carabiners, these are Camp Nanos, which are about the smallest rated ones I could find. Quick repeat, 1, 2, 3. That will tension, that will lock. And removal couldn't be much easier. Done.